Hello everyone. Today's video we will see how to preserve roses for use in resin art. So beautiful roses are in our garden. So I have cut these roses to preserve it for use in resin art. So similarly you can use any flower for this preservation. So here this is the final outcome of this is a dried flower, rose flower that can be used in upcoming resin art video. I will be sharing here shortly. And how to preserve roses, let us see. So first we have to take the silica gel. So this video is on 4x speed. So first we will take silica gel and first thin layer we will prepare a base. So this silica gel will absorb all the moisture from the roses, stems and leaves, and it will completely dry out the flower for its use in resin art. This green leaves and this fresh flower cannot be used in resin art. If you are using, then that color change will be evident and that art piece will be not look great or ruined. So in the first layer, we will put a rose flower. Here you can see all the flowers to be put in the base of this first layer of silica gel. So any of the flowers or vegetation you can dry it with this help of silica gel for use in any of the resin art or such kind of application. So here I am showing it with roses only, and here that base layer is almost ready. So now we have to pour another layer of silica gel here. So just we will add slowly and gently all around the roses one by one. And again this speed is on 4x. So we have to pour it thoroughly and little bit by little bit so that all the nook and corner is covered with this silica gel. So that layer is complete. Uh, in the top of that layer, we will again lay some stems and leaves that can also be used in uh, resin art when it is completely dried out. So that thin layer of leaves and stems are also ready. Now we have to again pour up this silica gel above these leaves and stems. Now it is almost done, I think, and we will keep it aside for a week. And here you can see after 1 week the condition of that dried leaves and flowers. So we will remove it one by one. This is also on 4x speed. We have to gently remove flowers and dried leaves. And this one is earlier I have dried out some of the roses, and you can see that if they are on silica gel for longer period of time, then that color is a bit pale. So I insist that you should remove your flowers and leaves uh, in 10 days or a week, I can say, so that colors are more natural and they are looking good. So this is the final outcome of this dried out roses and flowers and leaves and stems. So this dried flower I will use in some of the resin art I am planning to make. So these are completely dried out and they are looking good, I think. So finally, we will store them in a airtight container so that they should not gain any more moisture. So let us see. These are the roses. Initially, we have put in a silica gel for dry out, and what is the outcome is here. So you can see a color a bit fade up while dried out. I hope they will look good while uh, making a resin art piece from these dried out flowers and leaves. Thank you, friends. That's all for today.